Hello and welcome to Barefoot Landing. As you can see in front of you, the Crooked Hammock is operational, the new brewery here at Barefoot Landing. And with its opening, I figured it was time, well overdue, to revisit Barefoot and give you guys an update on the construction and new goings-ons in the area. So let's take a walk around, see what's new, see what's going on. Let's go. Like I said, this is the Crooked Hammock we're in front of. This is where we're going to start. Lots of kegs, reconditioned as tables. Very nice touch. I really dig this. This is like borderline folk art kind of vibe going on over here. Back of a pickup truck converted into seats. I like that. This is cool. Old piano. Oh, it's hard as a rock. Can't play with it. So this section of Barefoot has been refurbished quite a bit. The concrete we're walking on is all new, and hey, look at this. We got a bocce ball court. This is all new to me. Very nice. Tortuga Island. We got some seating, a bar over there. We gotta take a walk over there to see what's up with that. As I turn here, you can see this is the Crooked Hammock. This is the restaurant side, I believe, right here. Then you have the brewery side over there. Very cool. Let's go check out Tortuga Island. It's still early in the day, so the bar is not open, so we can't walk out there, but we can get a little glimpse from here of what's going on. But before we do that, turtles. Turtles and alligators at Barefoot Landing, so keep an eye out, you might see some. Also some pretty big fish. As you can see here, this monster right there. I don't know if you can see him. Let's look at get closer. That's a big boy. So like the signage says, and as we've discussed, this is called Tortuga Island. Tortuga meaning turtle. So it makes sense that they put these logs, floating logs, in the water to attract turtles, and it seems to be successful. Oh, there's a second one of those fish. I don't know if you see it swimming right over there. Uno dos. Big old fish. If I turn here, here's some more Crooked Hammock. Check it out. They got a fire pit here. They got the bocce going on. Lots of nice seating. Hammock, fake grass, ping pong table, question mark, or beer pong table, depending on what you want to do. Also, someone lost their sandals. It looks really nice. The craft beer local brewery scene in Myrtle is really starting to take shape. I just want to point out this place is called Crooked Hammock. Singular, not hammocks. So, with that in mind, there's one hammock sitting in the grass here. So is this the Crooked Hammock? The namesake? I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it. Again, some folk art style going on here. I'm digging it. I always appreciate this playground over here underneath this extremely large live oak tree. Very, very nice, especially in the summertime. Lots of shade. So last time I was here, a lot of this area that we're walking on now was under refurbishment. It's looking really nice. Got our oyster shells along our walkway here. Very cool. And there's Lulu's. Lulu Buffett's restaurant. Got plenty of videos of that place if you're interested on the channel. And of that arcade over there, Lulu's Arcade. Across from Lulu's Arcade, there is a stage for entertaining. And look at this, they have renamed it to the Crooked Hammock Brewery Stage. They're really putting a lot of stake into Crooked Hammock out here. You've got a whole upgraded, renovated section there. And you've got a stage. So hopefully they're successful. Time will tell. One feature at Barefoot that they've added with all the renovations in the past few years that I think is really cool, it's a nice touch, these gas lanterns. It's the small things that make the aesthetics really pop, in my opinion, and this is one of them. This is the Kentucky Mist Distillery, if you're wondering what we're standing in front of right now. Not open at the moment. And there's the Savannah Bee Company over there, if you want some honey. And this is a fun shop, faux pas, dog and cat stuff. If you want something like a stroller for your Doge, this is where you'd get it. And conveniently, they even have a little water for your dog. Beef jerky. Beef and fudge. Birdhouse Snacks coming soon. It's a cookie company, from what I understand. Blue Moon Trading Company. Tiki Gyms. So at this point you could take a turn and go across the bridge to the other side, but today let's keep on walking. What else we got going on down here? At the end of this walkway, there used to be a general store. Sadly, it burned down, what was it, a year or two ago, 2 years ago, something like that? So due to the fire damage, this general store was torn down. Right here in this green space. Also, that was Johnny Rockets, directly in front of us. No longer Johnny Rockets. In the distance, Flying Fish Market and Grill, very good restaurant. And then way over there is the Alabama Theater. Swinging around this way. Let's cross this bridge and head towards Ron John Surf Shop. As we cross this bridge over the alligators and other wildlife, it appears they're expanding / building a new restaurant. I'm just guessing a restaurant because there appears to be lots of seating on the exterior. Anyone know what this is going to be? Because I have no idea. As we make our way around, we'll see if there's any signage that tells us otherwise. As we turn this corner, we see a Aloha bamboo shop, and we are sweets. And I think, what are we going to do? Go that way or this way? Let's go this way. And we got Monkeys, Carolina Hat Company, and the Spice and Tea Exchange. I like this shop. I like me a good tea. A lot of those hats remind me of older gentlemen in Charleston. Looks like they replaced a large portion of the decking here on this side. All right, we have an answer to our inquiry about that restaurant being renovated and expanded. It is going to be the next Landshark Bar and Grill. We currently have one in downtown Myrtle Beach literally under the Skywheel. But looks like this area is getting another one. So let's lean around the signage here. So they've got a little while to go till they're complete. So another Landshark. What do you guys think? Is this a good addition to Barefoot Landing? That's a lot of square footage they're adding. I wonder if we're going to get some new shops or kiosks here as well, because that's a lot of decking. A staple, a Christmas mouse right here. And if we pan over this way, we can see across the water, it's the Lulu's, the Crooked Hammock, Intracoastal Waterways, just on the other side of that ridge over there. UCP, Ultimate California Pizza. All right, we're turning the last corner and arriving back where we started. I didn't show every single shop or even go in any of the shops. This is just a general update for you guys and gals to know what Barefoot's looking like. Primarily the Crooked Hammock section, really, because this is the new stuff. I think we'll bring our excursion to an end. We learned a few things. We learned that the Landshark is coming together over there. We learned that the Crooked Hammock is operational with all sorts of fun extracurricular activity, bocce, ping pong, etc., etc. So with all that being said, thank you all for watching and joining me on this lap around Barefoot Landing and an update on what's going on here. If you like this kind of stuff, check out the channel, check out the playlist, the usual spiel. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, take it easy.